Waiting. Good morning, everyone. In yesterday's session, we completed some molecular advanced features concepts. Some concepts we completed. That is, OLAP features are completed. In the OLAP, we discussed already roll-up, cube. Next one is grouping, decode. These are all yesterday we completed. After that, grouping with decode also we completed, guys. Next one is case. Case. It is exactly similar to programming languages switch case concept, and also it is similar to decode also. Basically, we have the two types of case statements are there. One is a simple case statement. Next one is a searched case. We have the two types of case statements are there. The difference in between these two, here in the simple case, in when condition, there is no conditions, just we can give constant values. And also, see here, the simple case statement expression is new in Oracle 9a. It is introduced in Oracle 9a concept, 9a version in SQL. It is functionally evaluated to decode. In that, it tests the single value or expression for quality only. Sorry, for equality only. Means exact matching conditions are there, then it check the condition, guys. That is called expression for the equality only. Okay, here you can place single values, here you can place. So case, we write some expression. The expression value where exactly matched corresponding result statements are executed, then it is closed. Then it is closed. If all searches are false, by default, default is executed, guys. By default is executed, then end. Right. The following example, select ename, case, job, case, DEP term. From this employee table, I'm taken as department number as a column in case statement. The first employee is working in 20 departments, suppose, case of 20. 20 matched here, no. Here matched, no? Yes. Then it displays sales department. Okay, if the department number is 30, then research department. The 10, account department. If all conditions are false, then else unknown. So this is a case, end case. We can close that by using end. After that, for the total expression output, you can take one alias. The alias is as department is the alias. Department is the alias name from employee table. See, guys, see one example. See, guys. Smith, Allen, Jones, Martin. These are the employees, guys. Okay, these are the departments. Exactly similar to yesterday's session, we discussed decode, na? Same similar to case also. But the difference is decode is searching each and every condition inside the decode. But case is directly where the condition is matched, directly control jumps to the corresponding condition. Suppose case department number 20 here, directly control goes to 20 here. If it is 10, directly goes to 10. But in decode, what happens now? It is searching 10, false, 20, false, 30. Yes, then executed. This type of searching is going on inside the decode. Okay, right. So next one is a search case expression. So such case expression is a case you can write one condition, guys. When condition, then result. When condition, then result. If all conditions are false, and so select e-name, job, salary, case of. So when the salary is less than 10,000, less than 1,000, sir, those employees are getting low paid, low paid, low paid. Uh, right. Okay. When the expression is between 1,000 to 2,000, then here when salary between 1,001 to 2,000, then reasonably well paid. When salary between 2,001 to 3,000, well paid. Else overpaid. This is case. Okay. So here we can write the conditions, guys. Here we can write the conditions. Okay. Right. See. These are the examples by using case statement, guys. Okay. And different scenarios, we are using this case statement, guys. This is one of the scenario. Okay. All right, guys. And the next one is grouping underscore ID. Grouping underscore ID. The grouping underscore ID function provides an alternate way to identify the subtotals. We know yesterday session we discussed grouping, we discussed the grouping returns 0 or 1. When the column contains value 0, when the column contains null, 1 returns. So the grouping ID is extension to grouping function. Grouping ID is extension to grouping function. And also grouping underscore ID is working on grouping function, guys. Based on the grouping function output, our grouping ID is executed. Okay. How it is, see one example, guys. Here, the grouping function, not grouping underscore ID, guys. Okay. Grouping function, yesterday we discussed this one. So the grouping function returns 1 when the column value is null, else 0. Based on this concept, when the grouping ID returns 0, grouping underscore ID returns 0. When returns 0? When depart number, jobs are nulls. Means in your query, depart number, job, something values are there. Depart number 10, job is clerk, suppose. 2 columns contains the data. At that time, our grouping returns 0, 0, na? Because not nulls, right? 0, 0. When the 0, 0 means the 0, 0 combination, based on this 0, 0 combination, grouping underscore ID returns 0, sir. Next, if the depart number is not null and the job is null, means depart number contains 20, job is null. Means not null means 0, null means 1. 0, 1 combination, it returns grouping underscore ID returns 1 returns. When the depart number is null, job is not null. 1, 0, then 1 return, 2 returns. If both are nulls, then 3 returns. Simple is to identify this 0, 1, 2, 3 means 0 means both are not nulls. 3 means both are nulls. First of all, 0, 0 means both are not nulls. 3 means both are nulls. 1 means not null, null. 2 means null, not null. That's the opposite. Okay, this is. Sir, where you can use this 0, 1, 2, 3 values? Same yesterday we discussed some example. We are displaying by using grand total, right or wrong? Grand total we displayed yesterday, right? So similar to here also we can display grand total 0, 1, 2, 3, just like that. Okay, how it is now we are discussing, guys. Guys, observe this depart number, job, grouping function of the EPTNO, grouping function of job. These are the, yesterday we discussed these two, right? Now grouping understood idea of DEPTNO comma job. Okay. And the sum of salary from EMP, group by roll up of DEPTNO comma job. Right, guys. So how it is, see one example. Grouping underscore depart number. First one is not null, means 0, 0. 0, 0 means how much? 0 returns. Okay, that's why here. Both are not nulls, na? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 returns. Next one is depart number is not null, job is null. 0, 1 combination. 0, 1 combination is 1. Observe this 0, 1 combination is 1. Yes, exactly. Again 0, 0, 0, 0. Again 0, 1 combination. Last, observe this last one. Depart number is null, job also is null. Depart number is null, job also is null. That is a 1, 1. 1, 1 means 3. So why are discussing these two, sir? Actually, these two are not required to place here, but for understanding purpose, only here I placed. Okay, without these two functions also directly we can write. But once you got this 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 3 means you can understand how these values are comes. So once you see this combination only, then you can understand. That's why here we placed grouping functions also. Okay. Understand, guys? Right now here we are using roll up. Roll up means we know n plus 1 labels outputs comes. N plus 1. We are placing here 2 columns. 2 plus 1, 3 labels. First label is depart number job, depart number subtotal, so grand total. But once you apply the group Q function instead of roll up, you can use Q function 2 into 2, 4 labels. Both are nulls 3. 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. Hey, where is 1, 1? Here. 1, 1 is 3. Here in this group, in this Q function, all combinations are comes. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the Q function main functionality. Okay. Q with the grouping underscore IDA, guys. Next one is ranking functions. So these are the important functions in our applications. Ranking functions also. General ranking functions to generate rankings of employees based on their salaries, based on their performance rating. Okay, now they same like we can generate ranks on students also based on their marks. Sorry, excuse me. Next one, we can generate ranks based on that competitive exams. Okay, so if you want to generate rankings on these situations, now we try to use these two functions we are using. One is rank function, next one is dense rank function. Rank and dense rank function, both are returns ranking values only. But the difference is, one small difference is there. We can generate rank any type of rank we can generate, because the ranking functions provides 2 types of rankings are generated based on the values. How it is? Before that, to generate the ranking values, then compulsory on which column to generate rankings, that column you should be placed in order by. That is mandatory, guys. Order by either ascending or descending order. Right or wrong? How to generate the ranks now? First, you can place the data with ascending order. Now. Based on that one, we try to generate ranking, right? Here also same like on which column to generate rankings, either rank or dense rank. No, that column you should be placed in order by either ascending or descending. First of all, okay. Based on that, rankings are generated. But what is the difference between rank and dense rank functions? See. So, how it is? This is the total marks. Rank, dense rank. Okay. Guys, these are the total marks. These are the total marks of the students. Now we want to generate the ranks. Now I want to generate ranks or rank, dense rank, both. So first I try to discuss about that rank, guys. So how to generate the rank? The first 191, first rank generated. Next 190, guys. 190 means second rank. But again, one more student also got the rank 191. Then second rank because both students are getting the same marks. Okay. What is the next rank? Next rank belongs to 189. How much rank you can generate? 4. This is. Means when the ranks are tied, how many ranks are tied? One rank is tied. So one rank is skipped. The next rank is generated. Okay. Suppose here this is also 190. Suppose, guys. This is also 190. Suppose. Then what happens? Here also 2 generated. Then how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next rank is 5. This is the ranking generation. Means how many ranks are tied, that number of ranks are skipped. Next rank is generated. Okay. Next, this is the 6th rank. This is the 7th. Okay. But what about this dense rank? Dense rank means 1. Next, this one is 2, suppose. 2. Next rank is here 3. Next 4. Next 5, 6, 7, 6. Means here what happens? When the ranks are tied, no problem. Consecutive rankings are generated. Consecutive rankings are generated. That's why here 1, 2. But sorry, 1, 2, na? So this is also 2. This is also 2, na? Because 2, 2, 2 generated, na? Right. What is the next rank? This is the 3. This is the 4. Sorry. Okay. This is the 5. This is the dense rank function. 1. 3 students are getting the same marks. We give the same rank. 1, 2, 2. What next rank? 3, 4, 5. This is the dense rank. But here, normal rank, it takes a gap. But here, 5 rank is generated, but here 3 is generated. Means here continuous ranking is generated here, but here is skipping. This is the difference in between these two, rank and dense rank. But here I'm not placed order by here. Generally, we can place the order in our query. Okay, na? Right. So here I will show that practically how it is, how to generate those ranks. Select the employee number, the employee name, salary, DEPTN, comma, rank over order by salary, descending order as R and K from PMP. Order by salary, descending order. Actually, order by salary is not required in outer query here. First two salaries are coming with a descending order. So 1 1 because 8,000 8,000 1 1. Next 3 2 is skipping or not? Exactly 2 is skipping. Again, these are the unique salaries. Okay, but here what happens? 14 14 16 generated. This is the example, guys. Okay, normal rank function. In this normal rank function, we can apply partition by DEPT and IREGO. Partition department number means department numbers are partition, guys. Means department number wise ranks are generated. Here, 10th department 1 1 3 4 5. Second department 20 department 1 1. Department order by DEPT. Here we can place. Okay, order by DEPT. So this is the order by DEPT rank also. No, partition by, sorry. Partition by DEPT order by DEPT. Now you can see, guys, this is the 1 1 3 4 5 6. What is the next one? This is 1 2 3 4. This is 1 2 3 4 4 6. This is the example, guys. This is one example. Okay. And also normal example also, just now I discussed the normal example. This is the normal example. Okay. Right. What about the next one, guys? Next one is dense rank. Dense rank means just now here we discussed in Notepad 5. This type of ranks are generated. Consecutive rankings. Okay. Okay, fine. So guys, tomorrow is holiday. Tomorrow has no session, guys. Tomorrow is holiday due to Telangana elections. Okay. Tomorrow is a holiday due to Telangana elections. Okay. So next one is dense rank. The dense rank function will always result in the consecutive rankings are generated. Consecutive rankings. Sequence of rankings are generated. See. See, guys. 1 1 next 2 generated. Here not skipping the rank. 1 1 2 3 4. This is the first one. This is. But here also. Order by salary. This means. Order by salary descending. See guys, this is example. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 13, 13. Next up 14 generated. Okay. This is the query guys to display rankings. Okay. This is. Next one is same like you can apply partition by clause also we can apply. Okay. Right now guys, by using this dense rank function, not normal rank function, by using dense rank function, we can display, we can find out nth maximum salary, we can find out. Nth maximum salary. We discussed already how to find the nth maximum salary. By using row num pseudo column, we discussed already. Right or wrong? Now we are discussing by using rank function also, we can generate. That is another way. This is the another method to find out the nth maximum salary. Nth maximum means when I input 1, first maximum, when I input 5, fifth maximum, when I input 10, 10th maximum. I want to display. How to display, guys? See, select the employee salary is required. Salary, comma, dense DENSE, dense underscore rank over order by salary descending order as D rank, dense rank, D RNK, dense rank from EMP order by salary descending order. Up to we know this query, we know already. Just now we discussed. Because the difference is these two are not selected, guys. Okay, na? I selected salary rank one. Yeah, salary rank I generated. So when the D rank equal to 1, first maximum. When the D rank equal to 2 means second maximum. D rank equal to 10 means 10th maximum. Right or wrong? Yes, it displays. But how to displace now? See, can I write where D rank equal to 5? Because D rank 5 means 5th maximum, na? I write down where clause. But here D rank is invalid identifier. We got error. Because D rank is the alias. Aliases are not supported in where clause. Aliases are not supported in where clause. If anyone is asking the question, they placed alias in where clause, you can say directly aliases are not supported where clause. Group by having not supported. Only order by supported aliases. We discussed in order by class. Okay, order by class support aliases are supported. Group by having where clause aliases are not supported. 100%. Okay, but our query is depends upon this D rank value. So why it is not supported, sir? Why it is not supported means we know that order of execution of output we know already. First from clause is executed now. In the from clause means in employee table, employee salary selected. Is it a regular column D rank in employee table? No. Right or wrong? D rank is not a column in employee table. Why it is supported in where clause? Existing columns in employee table, what are the columns we have? We can place in where clause. But this is a runtime column. Runtime columns are not supported in where clause. That is. But now I want to support, guys. Now I want to support because my queries depends upon the D rank value. In this scenario, same rank again we can generate same output. Select star from, we write down, guys. Select star from. We know first from clause is executed, na? From clause what is selecting? From clause what is selecting? Salary selected and D rank also selected. Means in the select statement, two columns are coming. Salary, D rank. Now D rank becomes a regular column right now in this outer query. The inner query D rank is alias, but once you reselect now, the D rank becomes as a regular column in outer query. So now we can apply D rank where D rank equal to ampersand n. Ampersand means runtime I can pass n values. Okay. 1 means first maximum, guys. 5 means fifth maximum. 10 means 10th maximum. Exactly this place. Okay. So this is called as to find the nth maximum salary. The same query here we can apply it here. This is okay, where rank equal to this one. Enough, guys. So we want to generate ranks between first top 5 salaries I want to display. To display top 5 salaries. To display top 5 salaries. How to display top 5 salaries? By using this query. Yes, we can display top 5 salaries. Okay, guys. Wait, simple. Above query extension here equal to right number. Right now here where I don't less than or equal to 5. Yeah, no. But these are not required, guys. These are not required. These are not required. But why they place here? These are not required. This is enough. Yes. Group by is not required. Okay. But why they place a group by? Group by shall. Suppose. Then see the output what happens. Yes, we got error. Oh, this is not required actually. It is not required. Group by. Group by rank. Rank, comma, salary, comma, rank. Why are placing this salary, comma, rank means simple, guys. First top 5 salaries means so these are repeated now. 8,001, 8,001 repeated now. One time is enough, guys. 2 times not required now. Then I placed these two group by. Then what happens? Once the group by, it is taking only one time only it is taking, guys. Duplicates are not taking. Okay. That's why here we write. No, here. Order by RN. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay. This is anytime, guys, pair is repeated. No, pair is repeated. If you want to avoid the pair should be placed in group by. Then what happens now? The pair is taking only one time. Okay. Right, guys. Next one is triggers to generate employee number automatically. Trigger concept is comes in PLSQL. And compound triggers also is the PLSQL concept, guys. Okay. Compound trigger means trigger inside the trigger. That is called compound trigger. Okay. So this is the document we discussed. Some features we'll discuss it in PLSQL, guys. After completing the PLSQL, remaining whatever features are pending inside this document, we discuss one by one. Okay. Okay. So the next one is in SQL. We have one concept. I shared this document again. Okay. Today some modifications are done now. I shared this document. All right, guys. Now, we discussed already, guys, Uh, our Oracle is a RDBMS. RDBMS features are supported by Oracle database. Right or wrong? This is 24. Okay. Now, not only RDBMS features, guys, our Oracle supported ORDBMS features also. ORDBMS means object oriented. ORDBMS means object oriented programming features also supported. So one of the object oriented programming feature today we discussed, that is called as object technology. Object technology we discuss. Object technology. Object concept is introduced in Oracle 8i. Oracle 8. So Oracle 8 onwards, object concept is introduced. Okay. What is the meaning of object? In different languages, we can say different definitions. In C language, object is a reference of structure. C++, object is a reference of class. In Java language, object is a real-time entity. Right or wrong? Now, in SQL, object definition is different. Object is a collection of elements of different data types. Object is a collection of elements of different data types stored at one location. That is called as object technology. So I will discuss. We have one document. I have that. The document now I am opening and I will discuss about that. Guys, tomorrow no session, guys. Due to Telangana election, so tomorrow no session. Okay. Next session on Friday, we have the next session. Okay. Where it is this? Just a minute, guys. I'm searching my document where it is. Okay, just a minute. So what is the meaning of Oracle object technology, guys? Oracle object and object types. Oracle object types are user-dependent data types that makes it possible to model complex real world entities such as customer and purchase orders, unary entities, objects in the database. Okay. Now, see, I discussed one example, guys. Suppose I want to create one student table here. I want to create, or also I try to create one employee table. You can take anyone. You can take. Here, I create one employee table, guys. In this employee table, what are the columns we have? Employee number, employee name, salary, street, means employee address, guys. Street to locality, city, pin code, country. Right around. These are the columns are there. This is the employee table. Next one is, this is the customer table. The customer table, customer ID, customer name, balance. And again, street number, locality, city, and pin code and country. Observe these guys from the two tables. From these two tables, some columns are repeated. Which columns repeated? Street, locality, city, pin code, country. Street, locality, city, pin code, country. Repeated. Means inside the database table now, when the number of columns are increased, then what happens now? Querying performance is decreased. Querying means executing query. Okay, now querying performance is decreased, guys. In this scenario, what we can do? What we can do? See, we can define the object. Instead of defining address columns again and again in each table, you can define an address type data type. Address data type and then use this user different data type in all tables. Right now, we know data types, guys. One is predefined, the next one is user defined. Both we have. Okay, na guys? User defined and predefined data types. Predefined means we know already number, char, varchar to, date. These are the your predefined. User defined means we can define our own data types. We can define by using this object technology. We can define. User defined means defined by user. We can define our own data types also. We can define. Okay. So defining a object first of all. Here I discussed. I write down what is the meaning of object. Object is a collection of. Object is a collection of elements of different data types. Different data types stored at one location. It is also called as user-defined data type. It is also called as user-defined data types. Next one is objects are. Objects are supports methods. Methods means that is called as functions are supported. Objects are supports, methods are supported. Objects are supports, methods supported. Methods means functions. Okay. Object supports, methods are supported. That is right. Objects are supports, methods. Okay. Right, guys. So how it is right now, guys? How it is. Now you can use this data type while defining tables, EMP table, customer table, like address. Address. What is the meaning of this address? Address is the object. This is the data type now. Which data type? User defined data. Up to here, number or varchar number is a predefined. No, this is user defined. How to create this user defined data type? How to create this user defined data type? That is important. Are you placed here inside this? Not placed. Yes, here it is placed. Yes. Defining object type. Create a type. Here I'm creating object. Here I'm creating user defined data type. Create type. Type name is address type as object. I'm creating one object, sir. Object name is address is one of the object guys. Address as object of street number, locality, city, pin code, country. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these 5 columns, so I place inside this object. Okay. Now, one user defined data type is created. Inside this data type, how many columns are binder? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are binder. Okay. First to create this object first of all. Yes, type is created. Okay, type is created. After that, now we can use this data type while defining tables, employee table, customer table like this. Create table, EMP table of employee number, employee name, salary. EMP address is the column. What the data we declare? Address data we declare. Now this address, EMP address contains internally how many columns now? 5 columns it contains. This is right. Copy and paste here. Already used now. Okay, I change my table name guys. EMP underscore DB. Customers underscore DB. Okay. So right now 2 tables are created. Now 2 tables are created, guys. Hmm? Right is created. Now inserting records into table. Okay, tables are created, guys, but how to insert? Normal records we can insert directly now, but how to insert data into this employee address? Insert into employee underscore DB. Okay. DB values of 101. Employee name is Sami. Salary 2000. Now I want to insert a street to city locality pin code. But where these columns are available, insert this object. Na? So address of means this data type. Address of first street, comma, city, okay, na? Pin code, locality, city, pin code, and country. Yes. But see, guys, in MS Word, single quotes are different. In Notepad, single quotes are different. Okay, here, observe this single quotes. Mm. One more closing bracket is missing. Okay. That's one record inserted. Same here I place. Okay. Right, guys. Okay. Recording setting. I want to see now. Select start from emp underscore db. Yes. Address of this. But where this address stores now, this address data stored in this address data stored in outside of the table, guys. Outside of the table. If you want, you can select. Otherwise, not required. That is an advantage. If you want to select only particular columns data, if you want to select, suppose. First of all, we need to update the city. City is Hyderabad, no? Hyderabad city, I want to update with Bombay or Mumbai. Nowadays, it is Mumbai. Mumbai. Then update emp underscore db. Set, I take alias, E is alias. Set E dot emp address dot city. Means where the city column is available. Inside this employee DB table, inside this employee address column, city is available. Right or wrong? Here. Inside this employee DB table, inside this emp underscore address column, your city column is available. City equal to Mumbai, where employee number equal to 101. Here also single quotes are different. Here I remove the single quotes. Right. Copy and paste. One record is created. So we can see the data. These are the guys, we are inserting, updating, selecting object columns. But right now, yeah, objects also supports methods, guys. That is called member functions. Methods also supported. Methods means functions are supported. How the functions are supported? Functions means here we can write one program, we can write. That program is PLSQL block, we can write. Okay. How to write this PLSQL block, I can explain the coming session. We'll explain. Okay. Right. Guys, tomorrow no session, guys. Okay. Next session on day after tomorrow. Any doubts, guys? Today's session. I shared this advanced features document and object technology both. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.